I'm really excited to be here at one of our job sites. We're putting on a specialty product called DaVinci Synthetic Slate, and this product is meant to mimic natural slate but be a lot easier to install and a little bit more cheap than the actual slate. So this is one of our projects we're doing down here in Bloomington. This is a historic home, so the customer had to choose from a range of historic materials, so asphalt was out. So I'm really excited to show you guys this today, so come along with me. This is the actual DaVinci product itself. You can see if you're looking on the back that you can tell that it's made out of plastic, so it's an extruded plastic. But if you're looking at it on the front, it's supposed to mimic natural shake. And when it's up on a roof, it really looks quite natural. It appears, if you're just looking at one piece, that it's really lightweight, but in reality, these bundles are pretty heavy. So the product itself is a class 4. It's a really high rated impact resistance, and it's expected to last for decades. It will last longer than a traditional asphalt shingle. Each one of these slates is going to be installed by hand. There's a little hole where you're supposed to hand nail or use it. You can use a nail gun as well, but a special type of nail. They ask for either a hot dip galvanized or a copper nail. You can't use regular roofing nails on this type of a product. Essentially, they layer over each other and they just go up, up, up until you have installed the entire roofing system. So just like a regular roofing system, the DaVinci product also has 3 main components. There's going to be the actual product itself, that's the slates. Then there's a starter, and this is the ridge cap. So DaVinci Slate's kind of an unusual product for a customer to be choosing. Why did this customer pick that product in particular?
Well, number one, they wanted quality.
Okay.
DaVinci is among one of the highest quality synthetic products that you can put on a roof. And originally, I actually came out here to inspect a home for cedar shake. I had original,
like a natural cedar shake?
Natural, real cedar cut shakes. Had some issues. It was installed 4 or 5 years ago.
It was pretty young for a cedar shake roof.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. So it had an issue called cupping and cracking.
Okay.
And that's due to water penetration into the system itself.
So that's an installation error or a
both.
Materials error, or what's going on there?
A little bit of both,
okay.
Actually. So number one, it was installed incorrectly to begin with. Number two, with a lot of the natural woods recently compared to 10, 15 years ago, the grain is not as tight as it once was.
Oh.
They're harvesting this wood from newer trees. A lot of this comes from Canada. They have younger trees that aren't matured where the grain is not as tight and developed. Oh. So the quality of the product itself has actually gone down.
So then in that case, maybe like the synthetic product would be better to go with because the natural products are going down in quality.
In my professional opinion, yes, a synthetic SBS-based product like DaVinci, there's a couple other products like EcoShield or Brava. Those are some great products to look for alternatives.
So how come the customer didn't choose to go with another cedar looking roof? Why'd they switch to slate?
So the reason that they chose slate over cedar is when you're going synthetic, call it a faux product, you can somewhat tell. It's if you have a trained eye, you can tell these people, they know quality and they have a trained eye. So slate is a little more convincing.
Yeah, I would agree. If you look up on there, it's pretty amazing what that looks like.
Absolutely.
All right, well, thanks, Patrick.
Of course.
This is cedar shake that was torn off of the house, and you can see a natural product like this is going to age. So this is what the cedar looked like when it was first installed, this natural, beautiful cedar color. And then as it gets exposed to the air, it changes its color to become kind of a lot more dull, a lot more silver. So the synthetic products have solved this problem because they're not gonna patina like that. So if you really like that natural wood look, a synthetic product is gonna look like that for the lifetime of the roof. That's another reason why customers are moving away from natural products like this. So as I mentioned, this is a historic home, and the builder who is helping refurbish this is Lauren Wood Builders, and we are contracted to do their roof. So this whole space is gonna be reimagined by Lauren Wood Builders, and we are here to put on the historic roof. So if synthetic slate is a product that you're interested in, just know that it comes in different widths. So this particular customer wanted the multi-width look, but you could also get all the same size shakes and to have a little bit more of a uniform look. You can have them all installed in the same line, or you can have them installed staggered.